Where did that one song propel him? These and other questions we're going to ask of Abijah. Good morning and welcome to the nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM. How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning to you and good morning to your listeners. I'm very, very humbled to be here.
It's our honor, absolute honor to have you
Thank you
here.
very much.
Okay, P. Diddy, could you help us to get this microphone a little
I
higher?
think
Okay, it's fine now?
yeah.
Okay, blessings. All right,
Yeah.
so let's find out from you. You're working this morning with the Affirmation Band. How
Right.
long have you and the Affirmation Band been together?
I'm actually not working with them.
Oh.
No. They're a group by themselves.
Oh.
We have our own band.
Mhm.
Yashika called me. It was a bit we never planned, so
Mhm.
I decided to do tracks
Oh,
to be on the
nice.
safe side this
Mhm.
morning. Any musician would understand that.
Mhm.
Right, because not all band members would be able to make it today.
Oh, okay.
And
Mhm.
I understand that. Yeah.
And we wish them the very best.
Of
and
course.
and it is in fact something that we look forward to.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is something that we in fact look forward to doing, welcoming them here.
Of course.
Another occasion.
Of course.
All right. So we're going to just start with the whole slew of questions that we have for you because it's been years we've been wanting to speak with you. All right. So tell us, Revelation, was that the song that brought you to the attention of most people? Was that your first recording?
It was not, but it was the one that actually brought, about Abijah to the public, to Jamaicans and different parts of the world. My first recording was a song, "Fall to the Ground," and
Fall to the ground. Okay.
yeah, it's a worship kind of spiritual roots reggae kind of vibe.
Mhm.
Worship him, His Majesty the King. Don't ever let your troubles get you down. Words like that.
Mhm.
It was just me and the guitar at the time, and a few months after,
Mhm.
my friend Albert Ramsey and we decided to go in the studio with Mikey Bennett, and we created more tracks, and there come about Revelation, which it didn't even, before it even mixed properly, it was getting a lot of airplay and love, and we sent 4 songs to the Caribbean Music Expo. The
Mhm.
CME back then was like a songwriting competition,
I remember that. Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
That was right across the Caribbean, and actually I won it with 4 of my songs, Revelation included, "Fall to the Ground," "Where's the Love," and "Stand on the Rock." And
Wow.
it didn't take much time for Revelation to go straight to #1 right after
Mhm. I can imagine.
that. Yeah.
But the thing is, from what we know of you and what
Yeah.
we've been following in the media, where your career is concerned, you're no newcomer to ambassadorship.
Mhm.
So, Worldwide Music Expo, UNFPA
Mhm.
had you as and your child as little ambassadors.
Yes.
Yeah, because at the
Aziz.
year of 6 billion.
Yeah.
Yes, I remember that. I
Aziza.
work with an
Yeah.
agency that was
Yeah.
part of that whole thing.
Yeah.
And how is this is just an aside. How is your child now? How old?
She's doing well. She was 22, 23, thereabout. A
Wow.
big girl. She lives in Westmoreland, and she is going to Michael, and she's in the art stuff and all these different things, and she's doing very well for herself.
Good. All
Yeah.
right. See, nice to see babies grow up and do well.
Yeah, man.
So, with the fame that came with that competition,
Yeah.
what else have you been working on that perhaps has been in the realm of working for the government of Jamaica or any of the ministries associated with our government to help propel reggae music?
Well, I've done a lot of peace ambassador work
Mhm.
across the world. We were with a group, Living Values Educators. With Robert Raskine, we went as far as the Grand Canyon with the Supai and the Hopi Indians, and just bringing one love message, and also going into the schools there, not
Wow.
just in Jamaica. We did all schools in Jamaica at one point, and we were invited to Oxford University in Britain, to bring across the same one love message. Of course, you talk and then you get like a concert and blah blah blah. You know.
Oh,
Then
okay.
because of that, the media took it
Mm.
internationally wide, and then Oxford recommend we got an invitation from Harvard in Boston, and we took it there as well. Away from that, we have been to the prisons in the U.S., in Jamaica as well. You know, trying to teach, not really teach. I wouldn't say teach, but to encourage ones to think positive and put away the whole way of life, and violence will never bring about that calm and peace. And so we do that with songs and just encouragement and different skits and stuff like that. And it came across very well. And I was brand peace ambassador here in Jamaica, and that was 2011. And I've been working very close with Ministry of Culture, Olivia Babs Grange, who's a very good friend of mine, and we have done a whole lot of stuff, both here and abroad, Japan, China, Singapore, you name it, the U.S., the Canada, the whole vibe. And recently, we got the opportunity to go to Dubai, and that was last year. And then late last year, because we're still there early in the year, we did the Womex in Portugal, Europe. So we've been doing quite some stuff representing Jamaica. Um, my music, as you know, is a roots kind of thing. So it not. So I don't know. I don't want say nothing wrong, but them say prophet never really in our own town too much, because we sing songs that our kids can listen to, and I'm a strong believer in that whatever you put in record, um, is it should last for years and years to come. Revelation is 23-year old, that song, and it's still relevant up to today.
So as we touch on that and its relevance up to today, 2023, 2024, what do you have on the books? New EPs, new albums, concerts?
Yep.
Share with
We
us.
have a new EP to be released in this summer. We wanted to do an album, but everybody releasing an album, so we want to do the EP first, and whatever blow from that.
Yes.
Um, Bear in mind that every time we get the number one in our own country, but we do get charted in different country around the world. People
Okay.
who are into that kind of roots music. Recently, a friend of mine made me aware that have a song "Mad People in Clean Clothes," which is recently being charted right now in the UK. And I'm just humbled by that, because I didn't write that song out any animosity. It just it's a reality everywhere you go with the just seeing being in the traffic sometime, and sometimes we can have very little patience with each other, and so on. I don't know. I'm getting a feedback. Not sure what is happening, but
There's some instrumentation that's
right.
causing feedback. All right. So, Abijah, you're going to be performing for us this morning on Cool 97 FM. I really hope you play that one or do that one about mad people in clean clothes. We will see how that goes. But thanks for passing through Cool 97 FM to be part of Live Tuesday.
I want to big up my brethren them who are listening. First of all, I want to big up Parnell, who is my general manager. Parnell Chambers with Home Judah Music. I also want to big up Colleen or Chippy. We together as a family do Airbnb in the Garden Town area. Also want to big up Mickey and Miguel there. We're planning a black and white party, and Miguel doing his thing in Pear Tree. I don't have all the information, but you can check my Instagram page, Abijah Smith, and Facebook at the same name, Twitter thereon, and get all of those things. So you can see upcoming events. Even we have a small club, Confitania, that we do live music on a Saturday night.
Oh, we know that.
Yes, so there's a lot of things in motion, and great things to come.
Bless you.
Yeah.
Abijah on Cool 97 FM for Live Tuesday. Listen up, people. Nobody move, you know. This is going all the way up to 9 o'clock. You don't want to miss big hits and all of that good stuff. Mad people in clean clothes. That's the song I'm listening out for now. Okay, so we're going to take our little commercial break, and you're going to go outside.
Right.
And we look forward to a stellar performance by you on
Thank
Cool.
you. Thank
Blessings.
you very much.
You're welcome. All right, so live Tuesday on the nation's coolest Cool 97 FM, and we're letting you know that this segment is brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. Let them coordinate your shipment from major cities in China. Book and ship containers, heavy machinery, generators, kids' toys, and clothing. For weekly direct sailing and air freight services from China, call ATC Freight and Shipping, telephone 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. And we also have on board Alkavida Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386.
It's live music, it's interviews from the seasoned to the new. It's Cool 97 FM's Live Tuesday, and you don't want to miss it. April 18, it's all about Roots Rocking Reggae with the Rootsman Abijah. Then we're introducing Spechinal and the Affirmation Band.
Me no hunger, me starving. I forget this thing to this world this morning.
It's all inside Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM from 7 to 9 a.m. with Dianne Thomas and Michael Thompson, streaming on Cool 97 TV. It's brought to you by Alkavida Alkaline Drinking Water, Braham's Texaco Service Station, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, and Keymix Audio. Live Tuesday, getting to the root of the music.
God, no.
come on home. Where is that love, Lord, that we all should be sharing? Oh, brother, where is that love, Lord, that we all should be giving? Where is that love? Oh, children should be sharing. Where is that love, Lord, that we all should be giving? Salvation will be waiting right on the door. Jah is knocking until that day when we decide to come on home. I know they'll be waiting. Oh, children, until that day when we decide to come on home. Where is that love, Lord? Where is that love, Lord? Until that day when we decide to come on home. na na. I hear the words of the Rasta man say, oh na 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 na. Hey, Babylon, your throne gone. Hey, Babylon, your throne. If you know them song, you sing with me. Come on. Oh, this will be a revelation. Oh, this gonna be war and frustration. Oh, this will be Lord. It's a revelation. Hey, oh, this gonna be. Oh, now. Talk about the problem, brother. Don't you be afraid, Lord. Talk about the system, sister. Don't you be so scared now. They will try to hurt you and they will take lies on you. Yes, they're hoping to take you down. They're hoping to mash you down. Jah wear the glorious crown. Separate the darkness from the light. It is He who created all things. He will end it us all in one night. I said, oh, this will be. It's a revelation day. Oh, this gonna be war and frustration chanting. Oh, this will be Lord. It's a revelation. Eh? Oh, this gonna be. Whoa. But color is not the problem. It is the heart and mind of men. Money is not the problem. It is the greed and selfishness. Oh, it's spiritual war. Oh, it's a mental. The Lord come down and help us now. Our people have gone astray. Oh, they have been misled and oh, they have been blindfolded. Oh, the sheep have gone away, not knowing the hour nor the day. I said, oh, this will be. It's a revelation day. Oh, this gonna be. Oh, the children, it's gonna be. It's a revelation. Hey, oh, this gonna be. Oh, color is not the problem. It is a heart and mind of man. Money is not the problem. Greed and selfishness. Oh, spiritual war. Oh, it's a mental. Lord, come down and help us now. Our people have gone astray. Oh, they have been misled. Oh, they have been blindfolded. Yeah. How you feeling? This is the Roots, man. You know? Ease up that mic. Hold on. Let me tell you a little bit about this song. This song is called The Mad People in a Clean Clothes. You know, you have a lot of crazy people out there. They don't have to look dirty to say they're mad, crazy, you know, insane, you know. Yeah, you have some people in a jacket and tie make some weird decisions, you know. And some people in the traffic too. Yeah? You don't know yourself? Behave on yourself. Kick it! Madman. Whoa! I said, whoa, mama crying, oh, yeah. Whoa, papa, watch this. I be a mad people in a clean clothes. The things that they are doing us around, oh. Will, pull up that. You see people that must scream and I reel up in here. Big up Sister D. Yeah, big up Mikey T. Come on, no, so no mad, you know. Me mad, you know. Hey! Cha. Easy Colina. Oh, mama cry. Final Chambers, you know you're crazy. Hey, won't you that crew? Check this, check this. Hey, I be a mad people in a clean clothes. The things that they are doing us around. Madman in a clean clothes. Oh, open your eyes. Time you realize I be a mad people in a clean clothes. The things that they are doing us around, only God knows. Madman in a clean clothes. Oh, now it's the time. Check this now. Well, if you think about you set up, be only certain ones. Some in a necktie, and there so them belong. Money, mama, the earn, she still can go to shop. Only the bigger heads, them off, we put on them pot. see if the use them no more. Got the violence spread out and them can't find the cure. Appear promises and false prophecies is no help to the youth. Them it now build them courage. Appear man, people in a clean clothes. Things that they are doing also. Oh, bad man in a clean clothes. Oh, open your eyes. Time you realize I be a man, people in a clean clothes. The things that they are doing us around. Oh, now, bad man in a clean clothes. Oh, now it's the time. Rootsman tell them. But the politician care more. Every day you summon up for open more door. A beautiful country, yep, we got to restore. Free up the visa, make the youth them travel more. Hey, there is an open door for I and I man who's always been poor. Well then, redemption is the only cure. Rasta man, him gonna beat them once more. Again, I be a man, people in a clean clothes. The things that they are doing also. Yeah, I hope you enjoy that one. Yeah, cause you don't know. Mikey T, I know so you're no madman in clean clothes, you know. Eh? Go ahead, it happens. All right, my brother. Big respect, yeah. Continue the music. It's a bonus. This is one of my favorite songs. It's a cover done by my brother, Jimmy Cliff. And I have a good friend asked me when they saw that I was coming on Cool 97, please, Abijah, because they saw me perform it live with the band. So the band is not here, but the track is here. We'll kick it. Yeah. Give me a little bit more volume in the monitor, please. Whoa, they tell me there's a fire in the sky waiting for me when I die. But between the day you're born, when you die, they never seem to hear you when you cry. But as soon as the sun will shine, I'm gonna get my shit on. Oh, brother, well, the harder they come, God knows the harder they fall. One and all day. Easy be a see, I see ya. Well, the harder they come, God knows, and I know, brother, one and all. Hey. The oppressors trying to keep I down, making me feel like a clown boy. They think they got me on the run. Whoa, forgive them, brother. They don't know what they've done. But as soon as the sun, yeah, try to get I down, but the harder they come, I know, brother, one and all. Hey. Well, the harder they come, now, oh, brother, one and all. Hey, watch a dance, yeah. Hey. The oppressors try to keep I down, making me feel like a clown boy. Hey, they threw me on the run. Oh, forgive them, brother. I don't know what they've done, but as soon as the sun, yeah. Oh, brother, well, harder they come, I don't know, brother, on and on. Hey. God down, all that they done, I don't know, brother, one and all. Oh, children, yeah. Oh, brother, yeah, you know. Can't stop the rising ones, you know, for real. Yes, I, Cool 97 FM, love and good. What do you have for me? Give me another piece of your track now. No, we did that one there already, you know. Yeah. Good
do something else, yeah. Right away, cause you don't know the band there, and they're gonna do their thing. I saw a beautiful young lady on keys. Wow, that's nice. Well, this is a Rootsman. Hey, this is a Rootsman Abijah. Hey, I said the Rootsman burning the fire. I said the Rootsman burning the fire. Hey, Babylon system and them friends. Fire, fire, oh yeah. For the system, it won't be afraid. Fire, fire, oh yeah. I said the Rootsman burning the fire. Lord, I said the Rootsman burning the fire. Hey, with their mental slavery, it's a fire, fire, oh yeah. Self-righteous hypocrisy. Fire, fire, oh yeah. Dig it. They claim they know the right from the wrong. They eating the bread of the innocent ones, forcing on your children false promises. But I know what time it is. I said the Rootsman burning the fire. Hey, I said the Rootsman burning the fire. Hey, hey, Babylon system and them friend, we tell them it's a fire, fire, oh yeah. With them system, we won't be afraid. We tell them it's a fire, fire, oh yeah. I said the Rootsman burning the. I said the Rootsman burning the fire. Whoa, with their mental slavery. Fire, fire, oh yeah. Self-righteous hypocrisy. Hey, fire, fire, oh yeah. Am I going with them vampire show? Dig it. Listen up. Cause I'm a daylight vampire. Ace. Alright. What? That depend it? Alright, I want to close with this one. Marley tell me this. Listen. Until the fella Ace. Hold it now. The band there, you know. You know what a vibe with me, pana one, you know. What a vibe with me, man. Eh? I just go on like you not doing the thing. Cause I see that jam and a rock, you know. See, eh? Where's our vibe, yeah? Where's our vibe? Nothing, just nothing. We don't nothing planned. Just a whole energy, and we just go out in a fine style. Come in, now. Ready, run it. Run it, man. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, now. Listen. Jah is not divided, cause he is one Lord. If you are divided, you got no part in the man. Hey, Jah is not divided, cause he is one Lord. If you are divided, you got no part in the man. Oh, until the philosophy which all one race superior than another, inferior, is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned. Well, every day is war. I may say war, cause we don't need no more trouble. Jamaica, we don't need no more killing, no more war. Hey, we don't need no more murders. Hey, we don't need no more war. Hey, cause Jah is not divided, cause he is one. If you are divided, you got no part in the man. Jah is not divided, cause he is Asha, respect Jamaica, respect Cool FM. Rootsman Abijah said that. Boom, Asha.
Coming up next, we have Spechinal. He's here in studio. Let me give you a little background to him. All right, so from church to school choirs to festival competitions, a Clarendon native, yes, Spechinal, has had a long-standing appreciation for music. Over time, he has performed across the island, steadily releasing music, and he's going to join us for performance and conversation this morning. Let me tell you that this segment of Alive Tuesday is brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping, your go-to courier for commercial cargo from Curacao, and Braham's Texaco, striving for excellence always at 15 Harbour Street in Port Antonio, Portland. Good morning, Mr. Braham. And right now, let's just have our little sit-down with Spechinal before we invite him to perform. All right, so let's see now. Welcome to Cool 97 FM. I do believe this is your first time here.
No.
No?
No, I have been here before.
You have?
Yeah, man. Come here already, man.
Okay. Take off the glasses. Let me see if I remember you. Okay. Let's play catch up and let me see if I can bring to memory some of what you have to say. So, we welcome you to the nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM for Live Tuesday. When you were here with us, you had an EP on the way. So, what can you report about that special project?
Well, me never bother release anything because the pandemic did hit, so it never really feasible for really drop music, because you can't really perform them. So me never did bother with that, but. Now that, the place open up back and, we can go places, can finish the project.
So when do you envisage that will be finished?
Me not really know, because I keep on I play with tracks. It's like, because I want to do on a certain level. It's not just throughout music and you need a great body of work, not just some biscuit cheese chicks thing.
Yeah, I know what you do. So you really want a fine project, and you want to ensure that when it hits, it is worthy of acclaim. So you're working with the Affirmation Band this morning?
Yes.
And is this your signature band?
Yes, this is my signature.
So how you all came together? You're all students of what? Edna Manley College or any kind of? You were in high school together?
No, nobody no gone to school. We just
vibe.
Just the universe, just God, bring everybody, because David is the leader of the band. I know him through Manny. Manny was a guitarist. I live in Portmore, so one day I see this youth him practicing bass guitar, and him not have no amp nor nothing. He just hold it up to him body. I'm like, yo, oh yeah, I hear that, and I pass him come back. I say him did it for like hours I practice bass guitar without an amp, and at the time me need want to form a band. So I said to him, say, yo, say me I want artist though, yeah. I love if you could have played for me, and all him do is laugh and say, yeah, man. And man, me and him, started some rehearsals and practice some songs and, all a vibe, and, super talented youth, him can play the guitar, the drum, everything. So me and him link up now, and then we start perform, and, he played the keyboard and not the Congo drum at the same time. So it's like a one-man band. But then after a while, him say, me I go carrying some other musicians, and not just me alone. And so me get for meet David now. So Fast forward, we are play all over the place, with the whole band with Money Farm, and then we are getting some traction, and then boom, the pandemic hit, and then Money gone foreign, and then the band split up, man gone east, man gone west, and then I just me and David left, which is the band leader, the drummer in Knox. Left, and pandemic I go on. I'm like, yo, when I rehearsal, I say, yo, what kind of rehearsal? See, place lock up, nobody can ever go outside. What kind of rehearsal? I must say, yeah. And then as the place open up, yo, we need to start about the band thing, cause it's like a whole vibe, pleasure for play and thing. And he must say, yeah, man, I gotta get some new musician. And I say, yeah, sure, musician, hard to find, and then boom, him say, yeah man, me get some musician, and go look at 10 people, him get like me. We have 3 because we don't have the full band today, because of certain circumstances. When we look 3 keyboard players, I say, oh, I do with 3 keyboard players.
No, you just pick the best from the lot. But tell us something though. You have a new single out now?
Yeah.
So what's the name of it?
It's called Outstanding.
And were you the writer of the song?
Yes, I wrote this song.
You write all your material?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm going to ask you to hang on 1 second for us. We have some commercials to pull, and then we're going to come back, finish the interview, and then you get to perform, okay?
All right.
All right. So this is the nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM, and we're saying thank you to all of you for being here for another edition of Live Tuesday. I'm Dianne Thomas. In studio, we have P. Diddy holding things down. We have Yashika Graham and Mikey T. Spechinal is our guest right now in studio, and we have heard from Abijah. We're going to be hearing from the Affirmation Band at the back Spechinal. Let's go to our commercials. And right now, let me tell you that Port West Kingston for all of your shipping needs. Competitive rates, warehousing and customs clearance, hassle-free the time by ATC Freight and Shipping. The reliable and competent service professionals is 8:30. Indulge in their eclectic mix of sandals handmade elegantly with genuine premium leather, vibrant and fun colors for all seasons. After 20 years, Bridget Sandals is still the best in unique and state-of-the-art quality sandals that women know and love. Visit the Bridget Sandals showroom. They're at 1 Abbeydale Road, Kingston 10, or you can call 876-968-1913. Follow Bridget Sandals JA on social media. Bridget Sandals, come, love your feet again. And one more message for you, then we get back to our little chit-chat with Spechinal. All right. So right now, let's see. Yes, big thing coming up. Okay. The St. Anne Association of Branch Societies in association with RADA, they present the actual annual staging of the Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show. It happens Friday, April 28th, Port Roads Sports Complex, so that's Discovery Bay St. Anne. Come out for live entertainment, pushcart derby, cool, Farmers Award, Kids Village, and much more. Gates open at 8 a.m. Admission, adults $500 and children $200. Okay, St. Anne Agricultural, Industrial, and that show, I've heard of them before. So that's the annual staging of the Agricultural, Industrial, and Food Show. St. Anne, going on with big things. So that should be pretty special. I wonder how they're faring, considering we're coming out of a drought. Let's hope they weren't badly affected, so they put on quite a spectacle. All right, and I just remembered I had another message from before, and I have it here waiting. Yes, so let me just share this with you. April is Cancer Awareness Month, and we're taking a look at different types of cancers. Yes. And it's important to note that cancer is a genetic disease that is caused by changes to genes that control the way our cells function, especially how they grow and divide. Did you know that 4 out of every 10 cancers can be prevented by living a healthy lifestyle? Yeah. So some cancers can be prevented if we simply stop smoking and avoid secondhand smoke. We reduce our alcoholic beverages, we get vaccinated, and we maintain a healthy diet. Now, remember, to get more information about this, you can call the Jamaica Cancer Society at 876-927-3317 and visit jcs.live. All right, so having done that, now we're going to get back to our discussion that we're having with Spechinal right here on Cool 97 FM. Thanks for your patience. All right, so this segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by our friends at ATC Freight and Shipping. And we're so happy that they've been able to stay with us for another Live Tuesday. So ATC Freight and Shipping, they'll pick up, pack up, and ship your boxes, barrels, crates, and containers from most major cities in Canada. Ship from Canada with ATC Freight and Shipping, proud agents of IKL Logistics. Call 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 802-4573. So Spechinal, back to you. Let's now find out. So, aside from this new single, what else are you working on? What are the major projects? Performances? Perhaps a launch of an album in the middle to, say, short to medium term? What are you working on?
Just mainly groundwork. Performing around the island. Just. Promotion, promoting the band, me and the band, because it used to be just me alone, but now is Spechinal and the Affirmation Band, not just Spechinal alone. So right now I'm promoting the band.
Okay, but if someone hears you this morning and likes the sound and wants to book you, how can they reach out to you?
On Instagram, Spechinal World, Spechinal and the Affirmation Band.
Spell that for us.
Spechinal. Affirmation, AFFIRMITION. Yeah, band.
Okay, and where do you see yourself moving to as an artist? What's going to be your position?
I do mostly revolutionary music, music that will cause positive, impact on the youths, because I believe that music is very powerful and is very much, the reflection of what is going on in society. Some people say, oh, we're just reflecting, art is just reflecting what is going on, but I believe that art can also influence what is going on in society. So it's like, a lot of artists, use that as scapegoat. Yo, me just sing when me see. No, you can create
your own reality.
Yeah, and you can influence people because music is such a very powerful element, and I think them tend to waste it and tend to just use it like it's just some ice cream you just enjoy, and then there's no consequence to your actions or whatever you're doing.
Okay. All right, so we're going to hear some of this groundbreaking music that you have. The ones you're working on, the ones that perhaps you've already released, and we're going to enjoy it right here on Cool 97 FM. All right, so you have a worldwide audience awaiting you, so we're going to invite you to step into the outer room. The Affirmation Band, good morning to all of you, and thank you for being here. And we're going to jam with you all the way up to our next cool flight pack. That's at 3 minutes to the top of the hour. All right, at 8:45, I take a time signal. So more than likely, if you're still performing, we're not going to interrupt you. We're just going to take down the music in studio. I read my little time signal, and we come back up with it. All right? Okay. So we're not going to bother you. You just go out and have fun. All right?
All right.
Okay. Thanks for joining us on Cool 97 FM. Remember now, you're inside of Live Tuesday. I'm Dianne, and in studio as well, we have P. Diddy for technical support. Our producer this morning is Yashika Graham, and there's Mikey T for sound engineering, and he's the DJ that started out the show. We also have Edson Johnson, who's doing the live streaming. Yeah, DJ Whoop Whoop. He is here, and he's doing live streaming. So all that you're seeing on KOOL97fm.com, it's him. Noran Price, thanks for the graphics and social media, and we look forward to seeing some wonderful videos going out to promote this, even after we've finished at 9 o'clock. So, just to let you know that Live Tuesday, this segment, is in fact brought to you by our friends at the Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, the official caterers of Live Tuesday. Ask about their vegan veggie balls at all major supermarkets island-wide. Call 876-458-9859. And remember, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited. Let them coordinate your shipment from major cities in China. Book and ship containers, heavy machinery, generators, kids' toys and clothing. For weekly direct sailing and air freight services from China, call ATC Freight and Shipping. 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573.
Yeah. Live and all, So, yeah, man, give thanks today. I am Spechinal, and this is me and the Affirmation Band. We just, I can send out some, high frequency in the universe and in Jamaica. So, if you're in the traffic and you listen, if you're in no traffic, you're at work, bless up yourself, and today is a great day. Every time, Mikey T, bless up yourself,
Boy, even though sometimes life crush my can, still I do the thing and still I go on. Even though sometimes man I for weather the storm, naked as my band, no clothes me have on. My life sweet, and no matter what me still a grin my teeth. Yes, cause life sweet, All when me nah no bed, me give thanks for the concrete. Cause I am grateful, could I never be hateful. Still I give thanks for life all when it painful. Cause I am grateful, could I never be hateful. Still I give thanks for life all when it painful. Cause I am grateful, could I never be hateful. Give thanks for life all when it painful. Cause I am grateful, could I never be hateful. Still I give thanks for life all when it painful. Let's say me drop but I know nothing. Door lock it off it open. All when I so dumb then me still a eat something. The way me go through life to some people it's a puzzle. No matter the obstacle, one have to grow the muscle. Life sweet, life sweet. And no matter what you know, me still a grin me teeth. Yes, cause life sweet, life sweet. I when me nah no bed, me give thanks for the concrete. Cause I am grateful, could I never be hateful. Still I give thanks for life all when it painful. Cause I am grateful, could I never be hateful. Still I give thanks for life all when it. Cause I am grateful, could I never be hateful. Give thanks for life all when it painful. I am grateful, could I never be hateful. Still I give thanks for life all when it painful. Give thanks every time, Cause I am grateful, could I never be hateful. Still I give thanks for life, all when it painful. Cause I am grateful, could I never be hateful. When I give thanks for life, all when it painful. Cause I am grateful, could I never be hateful. Give thanks for life, all when it painful. Cause I am grateful, could I never be hateful. Still I give thanks for life, all when it painful. Yeah, man, so we have to give thanks every time, you know. And make gratitude be the attitude, because if you're not grateful for nothing, you can't happy none at all in life. If you not appreciate nothing, you know what I mean? All comes together. Yeah, man, so the next song what we're gonna do, it's called Purpose. You know, what's your purpose? Yeah, man, so kick it off. There is more to life than house. There is more to life than car. And there is more to life than wealth. You need to love others and also love yourself. And everybody wants to be appreciated. And everybody wants to be loved. So no matter how you see them going like God, they need a shoulder when things get bad. Now tell me what is your purpose and what is your plan. You have a lot of money, yet still you're not strong. Still you get all the glitz, still you get all the glam. Yet still you feel you want to do something wrong. Now tell me what is your purpose and what is your plan. You have a lot of money, yet still you're not strong. Still you get all the glitz, still you get all the glam. Yet still feel you want to do something wrong. And I see everybody chasing the dollars. Oh, I see everybody chasing the dollars. The cycle repeats. Everybody follow. You put it over mommy and you put it over dada. Oh, hey, I know you're sick and I go dead. The doctor say you have a tumor in your head. I know you want everybody at your bed. A couple weeks ago you say you never need friends. What is your purpose You have a lot of money, yet still you're not strong. Still you get all the glit, still you get all the glam. Yet still you feel you want to do something wrong. Now tell me what is your purpose and what is your plan. You have a lot of money, yet still you're not strong. Get all the glit, you get all the glam. Yet still you feel you want to do something wrong. Than cars. There is more to life than wealth. You need to love others, also love yourself. And everybody wants to be appreciated, and everybody wants to be loved. So no matter how you see them fall like God, them need a shoulder when things get bad. Whoa, whoa, boy. So this is not some just entertainment, you know. This is, you know, energy. This is vibe, you know. And I believe that words, you know, is very. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, man. So I believe that words is very powerful. You know, that's why we make them song in a way, you know, to inspire people for do the right thing, you know, and focus on the things them that is of substance, you know, instead of wasting your time doing, you know, certain things, you know. So yeah, we're live. Yeah, so if you're wondering, you know, who is, you know, talking to your radio, you know, my name is Spechinal, and this is the Affirmation Band, you know what I mean? You know, and this next song, we're gonna sing, it's called Here to Win, you know, and everybody, you know, if I hear my voice, yeah, they done win already, is it? Yeah, let's go. Oh yes. Anyway, you're there. Say this to yourself. I am strong, stronger than a bear, and I am brave, braver than a lion. I will run, yeah, through a furnace filled with fire. Until I get what I desire, I won't quit. My mama told me to aim for the best, and I will never, ever settle for the less. And when life challenges me, my always pass the test. Always I work, but never rest. And I am blessed. Hey, I am here to win. Oh, I am here to win. Yes, I am here. To win, yes I am here to win. Oh, I am here to win. Yes I'm here, yes I'm here, yes I'm here. I will climb the highest mountain. I will swim through the longest lake. And if me have to face trials and tribulation, until I get my revelation, I won't quit. My mama told me to aim for the best, and I will never, ever settle for the less. And when life challenges me, my always pass the test. Always I work, but never rest. Boy, and I am here to win. Oh, I am here to win. Yes, I am here to win. I am here to win.
Yeah, so this is a single that I'm promoting right now. You know, it's called Outstanding. You know, I have to speak the right things to them, you know. And make sure it's you know, it go the right way. So me and my band, you know, outstanding. You know, and so yeah, give thanks every time, you know, grateful for that. Yeah, so you know. All right, ready? Let's go. Yeah, super and big of yourself, man. Mama, big of yourself.
Me no hunger, me starving. I forget this thing to this world this morning. You no hear me calling. More them hear my voice, I'ma start shout. My current I kick it in a short south. Kill them with the style and the hand. Flow tight like on room. Wanna like my one, no. I forget the spread like I do. Tear poverty in a pieces like cardboard. Wanna really like us, my one, no. My one show. My one flow. God no. Outstanding. Stand out, forget a piece of the pie. Some sketch me and out. Must me outstanding. Stand out and as me step up a ramp, some is to be a long mouth. Must me outstanding. Stand out, forget a piece of the pie. Some sketch me and out. Must me outstanding. Stand out and as me step up a ramp, some is to be a long mouth. So me a do this couple years well. Them tell me say fi stop, but me not hear well. How me fi tell the love of me life say fear well? My blood, sweat and tears them. I say I bet you say me shape them. Me say I bet you say me shape them. Me dues me done pay them. From Kingston right back to Mayfair. Outstanding, stand out, forget a piece of the pie. Me sketch me and sound, and so we outstanding. Stand out and as me step up a bronx, I me see be a long mouth. Affirmation outstanding, stand out, forget a piece of the pie. Me stretch me and sound, who left them outstanding. Stand out and as me step up a bronx, I me see. Listen, people out there, hungry me starving. I forget this thing to this world this morning. No sell out, no pawning. Stick to the game all when them say me can't win. Anybody can't win. No, me set me up the drive now, walk slow. Kick down all the door them. Can't pass through. I one question me want ask too. Hey, tell me wanna like cause me want know. Me want show. Me want flow. God no. I miss a God no. Outstanding, stand out, forget a piece of the pie. Myself will stretch me hands out. Me say me outstanding, stand out. And as me step up a promise, I see be a long mouth. Myself we outstanding, stand out. Piece of the pie, me say me stretch me hands out. Mikey T be outstanding, stand out. And as me step up a promise, I see be a long mouth. I say motivation to all the youths out here. Never give up, you know. Stay focused. Give it all you have, you know. Don't listen to the naysayers. Just know you can, you know. I can. Yes, I can. You can win this game. Outstanding. Spechinal and the Affirmation Band. Wow, good.
It's live music, it's interviews from the seasoned to the new. It's Cool 97 FM's Live Tuesday, and you don't want to miss it. April 18, it's all about Roots Rocking Reggae with the Rootsman Abijah. Then we're introducing Spechinal and the Affirmation Band.
Me no hunger, me starving. I forget this thing to this world this morning.
It's all inside Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM from 7 to 9 a.m. with Dianne Thomas and Michael Thompson, streaming on Cool 97 TV. It's brought to you by Alkavida Alkaline Drinking Water, Braham's Texaco Service Station, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, and Keymix Audio. Live Tuesday, getting to the root of the music.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.
At 10 minutes after 9, American Airlines AA2300 from Miami arrives in Mobay at 9:18. Frontier Airlines F917 from Atlanta arrives in Mobay